What's going on to all my friends on Facebook and Instagram and my YouTube subscribers? Welcome back to the channel, The Thoughts of a Rat Bastard with Lieutenant Panther. Yes, I know you guys were wondering what the hell I was doing, that hasn't posted up some videos and shit. The weather was not good. Yeah, I had to shovel snow and whatnot. So, so anyway, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Strap Hangers Bar and Grill, 126 Anderson Street, Hackensack, New Jersey. Check out their daily specials and check out their $6 steak sandwich. Steak sandwiches. Very good. And also try out their newest thing on the menu, $6 pulled pork. If you're loving pork chops, check out their pulled pork special. Haven't tried it with french fries, and they're open from 6 a.m. all the way up till 2 o'clock. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and they serve their lunch specials and drink specials all the way through. And might I add, our other sponsor is Kathy and Glenn's Steakhouse. Yes, I am pleased to announce that today's video is from our sponsors. Yes, our other sponsor is Kathy and Glenn's Steakhouse, 250 Main Avenue, Wallington, New Jersey. Check out their menu. They're reorganizing their menus. They're open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday only, dinner time. And they have hand-cut steaks, and they have good sangria and beer not on tap, but they have beer and other drinks of your choice. Be sure to check them out as well. Kathy and Glenn Steakhouse, 250 Main Avenue, Wallington, New Jersey. Support your local bars and restaurants, as we always do during this current situation. Yeah. Anyway, we're getting... Today's video is the thoughts of a rat bastard with Lieutenant Panther. Our thoughts on the snowstorm that we went through. Oh my God. On a week after the snowstorm. Holy shit. But we're going to do our ritual. And boy, do I got something to say. Ho, 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 ho. I already got my beer open. But Lieutenant Panther over there doesn't have a beer. Yeah, I know, the friggin' camera's backwards, You point this way is like... Ow. My shoulder. Stop it. Stop. See, he's trying to steal my camera light right there. He's trying to start his own channel. Let's say you fell down, you fucker. Stop it! Sit up there, you making. Sit up there. Oof, my shoulder. Yeah, I apologize to all my to all my fans because you know looking to posting up 2 videos Thursdays and Friday on Friday. Uh, but yes, shit. Ah. No. I love it. um, okay, now I know that I was supposed to post up a post. Hmm. uh, I know it was. I know I promised you guys for posting up 2 videos Thursday and Friday, but unfortunately, things were with the snowstorm and shit like that. I actually been doing a lot of shoveling, and I actually aggravated an old shoulder injury. Yes, my shoulder right here. Um, uh, with all the shoveling I did, and I ended up getting into a lot of pain like I am right now. Um, I was involved in an accident in '95 when it was the Little Ferry Circle, which now doesn't exist anymore to this day. Anybody who, any of my subscribers that live in Bergen County, yeah, they go this way. I've been experiencing a lot of pain. Can't lift my shoulder from when I wake up in the morning. I've been experiencing numbness in my hand. It's not cool. But I've been popping Tylenols, but that's the reason why I didn't post up a video yesterday, when this whole snowstorm happened. So, the thoughts of a rat bastard with Lieutenant Panther. So, we're gonna go back and make a new video. And unfortunately, I won't be able to post up another video because I have to work tomorrow due to, things that are happening in my life that I cannot discuss. And take it from there. So, we're talking about our whole week when this snowstorm happened. Yeah. Oh. Anyway, when this whole bullshit happened. You know, Lieutenant Panther and I, oh my, there you go. Yeah, when the snowstorm hit, I had my current job location. You know, wake up on a Monday morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, go to work. Nobody was there. Okay, so everything was fine. Monday into Tuesday, went to work on a Wednesday when everything was okay to go, and I'm maneuvering my way around and shoveling my truck. That's such bullshit. You know, I don't understand. There's certain things about the current pandemic which I can understand. And these truck drivers and our current president, when President Trump was in office, I hate talking about politics, but god damn it, man. Everything starts to slow down. When President Trump was in office, we made money, and we had to do what we had to do to survive. Now, this current president, fucking asshole Biden, he's like, he gets into office on January 20th. He starts signing executive orders, blank executive orders to overturn certain things or whatnot, what President Trump put into place. And it's sad. When we went through those 2 days of that snowstorm, and I'm looking, I'm like, what the fuck? Gas prices are going up and whatnot. But when I went back to work and I deal with truck drivers and shit like that, I was like, everybody's like, every fucking truck driver. I went into work, got up at work, got up. Oh man, oh, I shouldn't have done it. Oh, I was like, went to work on a Wednesday. Trucks are all over the place. There's snow mounds here. What the fuck what do I do with Lieutenant Panther? What are we gonna do? Oh my god, oh my god. Truck drivers come in. Oh, you got a load for us? Where do I drop my trailer? And I'm like, dude, we just got through a major fucking snowstorm. What in the fuck is wrong with you? I was like, I would collect it. I take the paperwork. I get their ID, this and that. What do you want me to drop the trailer? What do you want me to do this? I was like, besides the fact, they got my two-way radio between fucking production and fucking receiving. And everybody's got a fucking radio. Why in the fuck did they do this? But ah! I'm like, what the fuck? Uh, ow. Kill me now, but. I just don't understand. Everybody's I'm in here for all the bay doors are occupied. They got every single door. 5 trailers in the door. Okay. Know what we're gonna do now? I don't know. Talk to Doc Sue, but I don't know. This is bullshit. I get on the radio, will to so and so, and then they got. I felt like saying, shut the fuck up with the rat bastard with Lieutenant Panther. Can I get my transmission through? And they're like, I'm like, what? Yeah. But it's been a tough week. See, I can say whatever the fuck I want because I don't edit these videos. I don't give a shit. That's why everybody follows me on Facebook and Instagram. I don't give a fuck. I just don't see my head is killing me. I'm sorry, folks. I've been up since 4:00 this morning, but Lieutenant Pant, like I said, I've been up since 4:00 in the morning. I gotta work tomorrow, but to support my family and whatnot. Uh oh. Here we go. He's like, what? You get out of my face. Who? Lieutenant Panther and I have to go to. Can you get out of my face? Yes, I'm staring you eye to eye. Can you get the fuck out of my face? Lieutenant Panther and I have to go to work Saturday and Sunday to do what we have to do to make an honest living. Ugh. No. You're trying to steal my spotlight, right? Stop it. We can sit up there. To keep on a truck and, oh. I can barely keep my eyes open, man. I don't know how I'm gonna continue this. I don't know how I'm gonna continue this. Yeah. Yeah, I know you guys are probably thinking this is gonna be a fucking boring fucking video. Um, I got my load on. Uh, I have no fucking clue. How the fuck do I come up with good content to make this video? Give me a lot of thumbs up and my mind's all over the place. I'm concentrating on that I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but my mind and Lieutenant Panther's mind is not in it right now. Our train of thought is not into this video, but I apologize, but yeah, the rat. Uh, uh, I guess I'm out of Lieutenant Panther and I are out of steam about this, but it's like the entire whole week I got truck drivers coming in. Oh, I gotta drop a hook. Oh, how long is it gonna take? Do you have my trailer number? The whole thing is like truck driver pulls up to Lieutenant Panther and I's booth. I go outside, see, tell him, okay, what are you here for? Oh, I got a delivery. All right, get the paperwork. Okay, is a dropping hook. And they proceed on through. I tell them, we tell Lieutenant Panther and I tell us, tell them, tell us, tell us, tell us. I tell us, tell us, what the fuck? Tell them to pull ahead past the speed bump. And I'm like, okay. And then they got trucks in the door because of the snow shit. Yeah, I'm gonna call you on this one, Stephanie. Yeah, we needed a good snowstorm. Yeah, we got a good one. And pulling out of the station house, I had to call this one out on Kenny. You don't need a snowplow. He takes his truck, his H2, and pack it down. But that was no challenge for my truck tonight. Got a little stuck because I gave it a little too much gas. But Lieutenant Panther and I made it out of the back parking lot at the station house tonight. Nice try. I want to see how you can smash down that big snow pile over there at Walgreens. How you can pat that down without getting stuck. Mm-hmm. Oh! Oh! Anyway, it's all screwed up because of the snow. And then I get Lieutenant Panther and I get into work today. And I'm like, you know what my trailer number is? I'm like, oh, okay. How long is it gonna take to get unloaded? Do you want me to do this, do that? I'm like, I'm gonna come up with my own, like Dennis Leary says it. And I'm not calling him out, but I hope I don't get demonetized. Well, my YouTube channel is not our YouTube channel is not monetized, but I'm just gonna say how it is. Shut the fuck up with the thoughts of a rat bastard with Lieutenant Panther. I I got my paperwork right here. Yeah. Um. Do you know my trailer? I'm here for a drop and hook. I'm like, we're like, what? Ah! It's just crazy, but uh, drop and hook, and it's like, hurry up and wait. Okay, you gotta do this, and then yeah, the drivers hurry up, and then they wait. They disconnect from their trailer. They're dropping an empty, and they got the tractor over there, and I got fucking people like, they got, I got my trailer. I was like, whoa, we're like, whoa, take it easy. What the fuck? Do you take a fucking shit in your pants? Do you gotta check your fucking pants and your fucking boxer shorts look like a fucking air filter on a Kenworth that's coated in fucking shit? Like, really? It sucks. It sucks. And you got, we have other people sitting a little dock, really. Uh, you know, they're in the loading dock. The ones I took care of. All right, they're pulling the door. 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah. And then they got other trucks. When all 5 bays are busy, all 5 loading docks are busy. Ah! And they're like, how long is it gonna take? They're like, really? Fuck you, gonna, you know, I gotta go home. You know, I gotta stick a jar of fucking preparation H up my ass pipe. That's not my problem. What the Oh, yeah. Being that I'm so tired, but I just want to post up a sleepy, stupid video out there because I know, yeah, my eyes are closed to an entire video because I've been up since it's fucking boring. And I want everybody to know that I'm still here with Lieutenant Panther, and that's why we didn't post up a video yesterday because things are picking up in my job, and I'm doing good. I'm very happy, very very happy. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Please share it on Facebook. I'm learning how to share it on Facebook. And if you don't have a Gmail account and you can't watch me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook. That, you know, every time the video is shared, but I'm working on to try to get that process. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I know this is probably a fucking dumbass fucking video. I'm not myself, but I just want to make sure that I can put out some content to my subscribers. Yes, I just want to say we hit 22 subscribers. Thank you to the new subscribers that subscribe to our channel. And like I said, please leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up buttons, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And Lieutenant Panther and I will catch you on the next video. Yeah. But yes, I think this video is gonna be like boring content. Nobody's gonna watch it or give it a thumbs up. It is what it is. But my eyes are like, mind you, get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to go to work to be at 5. And that's really good. I don't care if you write a comment down and said this week's video sucks, and if I see that, I'm just gonna turn around and like, have you been working during this pandemic? Oh, I will fucking take it. I will take it to the next level, but that's okay. Make sure your post make sure your post notifications are on every time I post up a video. And always make sure to check out my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So share this video with somebody else, like, if you haven't already. And if you want to, please subscribe. And Lieutenant Panther and I will catch you on the next run. Yeah.